In this video, we will review the fund stage. In the fund stage, currencies, tokens, or hours can be allocated to individual members or groups. These members or groups can commit money or work hours to the ideas in this fund stage. When an idea receives funding from those who have the funds, it can be seen as a vote of confidence or an actual investment into the idea's potential. Community members permitted to participate in the fund stage can pledge by typing a value in the blank box. Then click the Contribute button. A progress bar within the idea shows the percentage of funding raised for an idea. Funders can edit their contribution while the fund stage is active. Funders can see the amount funded if this was selected by the campaign administrator. Whether all can see the amount funded depends on the switch Show Funders. To configure this fund stage, go to Community Settings, then Workflow, then Funnel Management. Select the funnel you want to work on. Once in the funnel, select Add Stage. Select Fund Stage from the Stage function dropdown. Create a custom stage name for the stage. Write a one-word call to action customization that will appear on the idea page. Enable the stage change notification to trigger an email notification when ideas leave this stage. Switch on the Enable button to indicate that the stage is active and ready for use. Select the currency type that you desire to use. I will choose dollars. The currency type cannot be changed after it is selected and saved. Administrators can set 3 target types. They can set the default target type for all ideas, which means administrators can enter a target funding amount that will set every idea with the same amount. The funding target is set and edited by the role or group permitted to set it. Idea-specific targets mean each idea will have a different set of target amounts. The target is set and edited by the role or group permitted to set it. No target applies to ideas that can be funded without limits or until funders run out of allocated funds. The target set and edited by setting lets you specify who can edit the target amount for the fund stage. This may be the idea submitter, idea team, or a selected group. What automatically starts all new members with funds is enabled. Administrators would be able to specify the starting funds per member. This means that the administrator can allocate a predetermined amount of funds, hours, or tokens to all stage participants. The participants can then pledge funding to the ideas for implementation. If Show Funders is enabled, the names of the funders will be displayed on the stage. The Stop Pledge above target amount of an idea switch will stop pledging once the target amount is met. Enabling the stage automation settings will automatically move the ideas from the fund stage to the next stage as soon as the funding target is met. In Permitted to Pledge Funds and Receive a Balance of Funds, we will select the members who will receive a balance of funds that they can pledge towards an idea. I will select the Innovation Council group I created earlier. This group is comprised of leaders from different departments that have real resources to invest in the stage's promising ideas. In Permitted to View Current Funding Progress and Activity, I will select the members who can view the current funding progress and activity. I will choose all members to see the funding progress. Once your stage settings are complete, save your settings. Now that your stage is configured, you will need to ensure your funders have available funds to invest. Go back to Edit Funnel, scroll back to your fund stage, and select Manage Funds. In the Manage Member Funds view, you see the users who can fund ideas. These users are part of an Innovation Council group that I had selected earlier. You can add or remove funds for all community members participating in the stage. To test your configuration as a user, go to the campaign with this funding stage. You can add the funding target and contribute your available funds. Scroll down to an Ideas Activity tab to the Your Contribution section. A progress bar within the idea shows the percentage of funding committed to supporting an idea. You can now contribute funds by adding the amount into the blank space next to Contribute. Once the fund is contributed, users can edit the fund using the pencil icon. Now your groups can invest in promising ideas. How might you use the fund stage?